Hi everyone, it's Katarina from BDY Beauty Lounge, and I'm here today to give you a quick in-service on wood therapy. I decided to do this because I've realized that a lot of people have one use for wood therapy, and I wanted to let you guys know that there are so many different ways to use these devices, and it can be beneficial beyond weight loss. If you did want to dive further into this, you can always book my classes. I host online classes, and you also have an option to do self-paced classes online where you get a curriculum, hands-on training, and so much. I wanted to start by kind of giving a rundown on what wood therapy is. It is a technique that started in South America. A lot of people do and don't know that, but it has many uses. One of its primary uses that we use in this industry is for fat reduction, cellulite reduction, and contouring. Wood therapy can also be used for massage. It can be used for pain relief. It can be used for lymphatic facials, and so much more. If you did want to learn more about each one of those individually, you can. I'm going to start with the use of each tool, and I'm going to show you the order and formation that you would typically use them in. Each tool is unique and specific to a body part and for a goal. And if you are receiving services or you're providing services, I would just like you to make sure that you're getting the best outcome by using these appropriately. I'm gonna go in order here. I'm gonna start with the diamond tipped roller. So when you're performing wood therapy, I'm gonna use fat reduction for an example because it's the easiest way. If you're performing this, say on the abdominal area, and you're trying to prepare your patient, you want to make sure that you start with a diamond tipped roller. This diamond tipped roller is going to stimulate your lymphatics. It's going to get the small surface tissues and kind of get the ball rolling so that you can go in and break down fat in a deeper level. So you're going to just, light strokes up and down. You can go deeper. Obviously, the harder, the more pressure you apply, the deeper the tissues will get penetrated by the diamond roller. Next, we would go in with our cubed roller, and this roller is used for those larger areas of adipose where you really want to put in the work. This is the one that usually I say makes you sweat. This is the one that everyone hates, and when clients get this one, they usually look like they're in a little bit of pain. So this one is used to break down large pockets of fat, and it also still promotes lymphatic drainage, and you're able to kind of spot reduce fatty areas that your client is really looking to reduce. Next, we would use our cup. The cup is self-explanatory. These cups are used in areas, so not only for fat reduction, but it can also be used for bloating and water reduction. So this is very important after you fat reduce, after you break down all the tissues. You want to make sure that you are cupping those areas of fluid and moving that fat and transferring it. A lot of people say, oh, how can you fat transfer? But this is the tool that we use when we say fat transfer. It's this cup, because what it does is it creates suction on the skin, and it moves those areas of fluid towards the center or wherever you're going to move it. Make sure that you know your anatomy and you're moving it to the right place. However, these are typically used for drainage, lymphatic drainage, and localizing fat. Lastly, you want to go in with your flat shaper, and this tool is used for contouring. So this is the majority of your contouring, and this also is really good if you treat post-op patients. This one is really good for lymphatic drainage and moving fluid down, but this is the bread and butter when it comes to shaping and molding your clients. So this is the one that creates that small waist, the lifted butt, and so much more. You can use this on the arms, you can use this anywhere, but for the sake of the abdomen and time, I would just come in. You can curve, curve, curve. You want to push down all of that fat that you've broken up, and you want to shape it and put it to the areas where you would like it to be in, so that it can be drained appropriately, and so that you're able to have a great contour. One additional tool that I would like to share with you is the rope. And this rope is really good. I'll let you guys know that this was a really good one to invest in if you haven't already. But it's a little gentler than the bulky wood roller, the cubed roller. But it's also very good for cellulite. If you have your patient standing, you want to roll the thighs, or if you want to roll and contour the waist, this is a really good one. It is pretty labor intensive. Wood therapy is very labor intensive, but it's very effective. If you do own a spa, or if you're just doing body contouring, wood therapy is a great asset to your business. And aside from all the benefits, it is very profitable, and you can gear your prices based off of what you decide to offer with each service. If you want to learn more and you would like to go deeper and to learn how to profit from wood therapy, please book my class. You can always text the number below or book the link in the bio. Thank you.